a pump gas car is just more economical for most people. I mean, I don't see nothing on pump gas. It's like kind of a little ridiculous, because every time I try to do some research, it's like, all right, well, they're not going to post up my 717 horsepower dyno sheet because it's on pump gas. It's not on E85. No one gives a shit about pump gas because everybody wants to see numbers. I don't care what the dyno says. I want to see times. So now I went 10.7 at 132 miles an hour. The DA was almost 2,000. The temperature was in the 80s, and the humidity was over, like, I don't know, it was definitely like 80% humidity. It was hot, humid, sticky. So, I mean, I'm pretty impressed. My car made 717, and I trapped 132 miles an hour with a 1.760 foot, which if I can get that 1.760 foot down to like a 1.5, this car is going to be moving. So I'm just going to continue on what I'm doing. Now, there's the only modifications done to this car as it sits right now. As I'm sitting in my car, right, because it's a rainy day and I can't drive it because I got the Mickey Thompson artist on here still, so I can't even drive around and talk. So I'm just sitting in front of my house making this video. I have a Vortech supercharger. It is JT trim B3 self-contained unit. I have an air-to-air intercooler that comes with most kits. I purchased the tuner kit, which didn't come with the injectors. I have Deechworks 95-pound injectors in here. The car is tuned by Rob Shoemaker from Palm Beach Dyno, and I have an AWE catback exhaust. That is the only thing done to this car. There's nothing else. There's no additives. There's nothing special. There's no tricks. There's nothing. That's what's in this car. It's a 2018 Mustang GT Gen 3 Coyote with a Vortech. So there's nothing else going on. So I'm gonna go as fast as possible with this setup that's in the car right now. I'm gonna just keep driving it and driving it and driving it and driving it. I don't care what it takes. I'm just gonna keep pumping out numbers, slips. I try to go as fast as possible, and and then I'll start adding things on. Maybe I'll have contact PMAS and see if they can make me an intake for because I know everybody tells me, the intake makes a big difference, which I'm still not that familiar with superchargers, especially centrifugal unit. So I'm still learning as I go, but maybe I'll contact them and see if they can make me a custom intake, or I could definitely go. I have stock headers, so maybe I have stock cats. I got stock headers. There's nothing done there besides the catback exhaust. My suspension is fully stock. I don't even have a vertical link on my car. My axles are stock. My drive shaft stock. Everything is stock besides the supercharger and the exhaust. And obviously the tune, I'm running HP tuners. I'm using the N gauge with the HP tuners. How much info or data is there out there for an automatic 18 on pump gas? Because I don't see anybody posting that stuff up. I don't know why. I mean, the regular guy is gonna drive a pump gas car. I mean, I would assume so. It's more common. I mean, yeah, there's E85 through the whole country, but it can't be everywhere. So say you want to go on a 500-mile trip and you want to drive your car there, you literally have to map out everywhere you're going to find out if the station's available for you to get fuel. So that there's ups and downs to it. Like, don't get me wrong, I would absolutely love to run E85. If I had an E85 station, in like a 5 to 10 minute drive, or even closer than that, I mean 10-15 miles, it would be in my car so quick I wouldn't even think twice about it. But my situation is there's no E85 20 minutes away. It says 20 minutes away, but the way where I live, there's a lot of traffic and congestion, so 20 minutes could turn into an hour. The way I am, I always forget to get gas. Next thing you know, I'm on the light, bang, I run out of gas, then I gotta get my other car, go there to get gas. It's just too much of a hassle, so it makes absolutely no sense to me. So I'm challenging myself to see how fast I could go on 93 pump gas. I don't know if anybody else is up to it. You want to join in on it, knock yourself out, but that's my goal. I want to see how fast I can go. I will try to set the record. I don't know, someone said 10.2 today was the record, but I'm trying to get some information about it. And I don't have to worry about doing a return style fuel system. I'll just stick with what I got for now. I got a BAP, and everything else is stock. Is direct injection. I mean, it's different. There's not that much information out there, and I'm sure this car can definitely go into the 9s on pump gas. It's there already. I mean, the mile per hour it's not exactly where it needs to be. It needs to go a little higher, but I'm also on a 3.6 pulley. I could maybe get another pulley, put up the, you know, another 2 psi. I'm sure. I was told the timing isn't, you know, nothing crazy. What's that? Haha. Who got that? How many people got that? What you know about that? Oh, we gonna break these records. Oh, we gonna make these records. We ain't gonna break these records. We gonna make these records. That's what's gonna happen. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, MMACS550. Hit me up on Facebook, MICHAEL. Not dash, sorry. Not underscore. Just Michael, MAC, Mac. Hit me up. Any questions? Be more than happy to help you. Thank you.